Hello everyone, my name is Swati and I'm currently a student studying computer science and engineering at PES University, Bangalore. I'm super excited to share my video report documenting my experience as an LFX mentee under the Open Mainframe Project's Mainframe Modernization Working Group. As a working group, we intend to release two white papers, one on legacy programming language viability and the other on leveraging mainframe data for artificial intelligence and machine learning. The former was handled by Bruno Azena and my co-mentee Aditi Rai, while the latter was handled by Dr. Vinu Rashal Vishwasadas and myself. As a mentee, I researched artificial intelligence and machine learning workflows on mainframe data with the aim of providing an unbiased perspective to decision makers, mainframers, and business professionals who are looking to leverage AI/ML for their mainframe data. Thus, I hereby present to you From Legacy to Leaders, Mainframe Data Meets AI. I would like to begin by posing the research question. To emphasize on the importance of data, I would like to quote Jonathan Rosenberg, former senior vice president at Google, who said, "Data is the sword of the 21st century and those who wield it well, the samurai." In the 2000s, improvements in computer hardware and the availability of high quality data facilitated the shift of ML algorithms which were being worked on since the 1950s from theory to practical applications. Today, data-driven decision-making powered by AI and ML relies heavily on the availability of quality data. Mainframe computers hold decades worth of valuable data and are hence a gold mine for AI and analytics. Thus, we pose the question, how can AI workloads effectively use mainframe data? What tools are available to facilitate the execution of AI workloads on mainframes? Or transfer the data to environments where additional AI tools are accessible. I would like to briefly touch upon our research methodology for the white paper, which consisted of a thorough survey on mainframes and AI from a variety of sources such as academic research papers, white papers, blog posts, and websites, to name a few. We also had discussions with industry experts on various AI/ML tools and workflows on mainframes. Now, coming to the key takeaways from the white paper, we were able to find three approaches to run AI workloads on mainframe data. The first one being running AI directly on mainframe through tools like ML for ZOS and DB2 Data Insights. The next approach involves running AI outside mainframes without migrating mainframe data. This can be done through data virtualization tools and watsonx.data. Finally, running AI workloads on mainframe data outside mainframes. This includes data movement tools to move mainframe data out of mainframes and then run AI workloads on the cloud on this data. Running AI on mainframes leverages their strong RAS properties. RAS stands for reliability, availability, and serviceability, which has since become the hallmark of mainframes. While older systems lack hardware conducive for running AI/ML workloads, thus limiting effective inferencing. This is changing with modern mainframes having AI-powered chips such as IBM Telum and the recently introduced IBM Telum 2. While tools for mainframe ML on mainframes are few in number, the S390X architecture's compatibility with certain ML libraries such as PyTorch shows scope for improvements. Many organizations transfer their data off of mainframes or maintain copies for external processing, thus striking a balance between modern AI capabilities and mainframe signature RAS properties. However, this approach can introduce security risks, stale data risks, and latency, particularly with large data sets. Thus, each of these approaches have their strengths and weaknesses which are discussed in detail in the paper. It is up to organizations to thoroughly review their requirements and conduct analysis to ensure that they select the most suitable option. It is also important for them to review previous cases of using mainframe data for AI/ML so that they can understand the patterns, anti-patterns, and the pitfalls involved. I would like to briefly touch upon some of my challenges as a mentee. In the early stages of my research, I had to upskill myself on mainframes. As a topic, mainframes were completely new to me. I went through a lot of research material, white papers, and web pages to completely understand the various facets of mainframes. It's an incredibly vast domain, and I had only 3 months to complete my research. Hence, I used the Moscow principle to prioritize what I researched. Moscow stands for must have, should have, could have, and won't have. Besides this, regular meetings with my mentors Vinu and Bruno and co-mentee Aditi also helped me to discuss what I had learned, understand how they fall into the broader mainframe ecosystem, and estimate their relevance to the paper. During my research, I explored various tools for running AI workloads on mainframes. Unfortunately, I struggled to understand how they all fit together as they seemed rather disjoint. Discussions with industry experts also brought some much needed clarity on this. Now, moving on to the acknowledgements. The past 3 months have been filled with research, learning, meeting schedules, networking, and of course, reviewing and writing the white paper. Learning about mainframes for me has been an eye opening experience. I hope that people who read our white papers will appreciate the legacy behind these powerful machines. And going ahead, I'm looking forward to the successful peer reviews and publishing of our white papers. I'm also excited to continue contributing to the mainframe modernization working group. I would like to express my gratitude to my mentors Vinu, Bruno, and Misty for their exceptional guidance and support throughout the mentorship. Their expertise greatly helped me understand the mainframe domain and also helped me pull out the relevant information from all the data I had gathered during research. I would also like to thank Aditi for being a wonderful co-mentee. Working together with her in the mentorship working group has been an absolute pleasure. As a team, we have gained a deeper understanding of the various facets of mainframe modernization, and I couldn't be happier about that. I would also like to thank Mr. Ramesh Vishweshwar, client architect at IBM, for giving us clarity with respect to machine learning on mainframes. I'm also grateful to the Open Mainframe project managers, Yari and Tom, who ensured a smooth onboarding and have promptly handled any issues from the non-technical end. I would finally like to give a huge shout out to the Open Mainframe project community and the LFX mentorship. I am looking forward to my white paper being published, and I hope all of you will be able to read it. Thank you very much, and this is Swati signing off.